The Galaxy S25 Ultra is coming with some major updates, and today, we're diving into the most exciting features you need to know. From an unbeatable display to a game-changing software upgrade, let's see how this device is shaping up to be a serious contender in 2025. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is bringing some exciting updates that will impress anyone who values quality and durability in their phone's display. One of the key highlights is the second-generation Gorilla Glass armor. This tougher glass is designed to handle everyday wear and tear, like accidental drops and minor scratches. In fact, this new glass will be exclusive to the S25 Ultra in 2025, which means you won't find it on other brands, including Apple. This makes the S25 Ultra stand out in terms of durability. Plus, the glass is anti-reflective, which helps reduce glare, making it easier to use your phone in bright sunlight. When it comes to brightness, the S25 Ultra is getting a significant upgrade. The peak brightness will now reach 3000 nits, which is 400 nits brighter than the S24 Ultra. This means you'll get better visibility, even under direct sunlight. While some might have hoped for a more advanced display technology, the increased brightness is a major improvement. Other than that, the display specs are very similar to last year's model, but with a slightly larger screen thanks to thinner bezels. If you liked the S24 Ultra's display, you'll definitely appreciate the S25 Ultra's even brighter and larger screen. One of the most convenient updates for users is the introduction of Android seamless updates. Typically, when your phone gets an update, you have to stop using it while it downloads and installs. But with seamless updates, the phone will download and install the update in the background while you're still using it. When it's done, all you need to do is reboot the phone, and you're up to date without the usual wait time. This small change makes a big difference in how you use your phone, keeping you productive without interruptions. Now, let's talk about storage. The S25 Ultra will have UFS 4.0 storage, just like the S24 Ultra. While UFS 4.0 is fast and efficient, it's not the latest. Some had hoped for the next-gen UFS 4.1, which could have improved AI performance, but that won't be available yet. Still, UFS 4.0 is a solid choice and offers fast data transfers and smooth performance. One area where the S25 Ultra falls short is in the lack of the Find My Device When Powered Off feature. This feature is available on iPhones and Google Pixel devices and allows you to track your phone even if it's turned off. Unfortunately, the S25 Ultra doesn't have this feature, which may be disappointing for users who rely on it for extra security. Lastly, let's talk about design. The S25 Ultra will have a fresh new look with flat sides and curved corners, making it look more modern and feel more comfortable to hold. The camera design is also changing, with rings similar to those on the Galaxy Z Flip 7. However, these renders are not official, so the final design could be different. Despite that, the camera design is expected to be a standout feature. With tougher glass, a brighter display, seamless updates, and a new design, the Galaxy S25 Ultra looks like it will be a big upgrade. While it may not have everything some users hoped for, like the Find My Device When Powered Off feature, it still packs impressive features that will make it a strong contender in 2025. We'll have to wait and see how it performs, but it's definitely a phone to watch.